Welcome back, everyone. Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the BLU G53. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise, if you haven't yet subscribed, we got a ton of more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. We will be doing a teardown on this one too. But otherwise, let's get into this. So what you want to do first is you have your volume up, the volume down, power, and your Google Assistant button on that side. If you want to turn the phone off real quick, since we have a pattern on this one, we'll hold volume up and power button. And that will give us our power off option. Once you have the phone turned off, what you have to do next is we'll be holding volume up, power, and the Google Assistant button. So I'm going to hold the Google Assistant button first, then I'm going to hold the volume up button, and then I'm going to hit power. And then once the phone turns on, give it a second or two, then let go of power. We keep holding the Google Assistant and volume up. This will get into your reset menu. You want to use your volume buttons to scroll, your power button to select. And we're going to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, hit the power button to confirm, and then it wants you to confirm again. Confirm. It's deleting. It's done. And now we can either reboot the phone or turn it off. In this case, we'll just turn it off. But if you do reboot it, it'll just go to the welcome screen and you can log into it like it was, a new phone. I should log in, set it up to the home screen, and use it how it was like it was when it was new. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.